our new stove.
More than 2,000 students have saved time and money for their undergraduate degrees through a Kaplan University Credit for Work Experience course. For more information, call 866-KAPLAN-5 or visit savenow.kaplan.edu.
What sells furniture? Price. Price sells furniture. Who sells furniture at the lowest price? Price Busters Furniture. That's who. This complete 7-piece living room package was in
That was fast.